Right, so today I'll be showing you how to increase the RAM on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you want to go into settings, and then under settings, scroll down to device care, tap on that. Under device care, go to memory. So it's going to do some checks and give you the information. You can see we have 2.4 gigs available out of the just about 3 gigs of RAM that we have by default. So to increase RAM, there's a feature here called RAM Plus. So if you tap on that and enable, you can actually choose how much of your storage space that you want to convert into additional RAM. So you can choose either 2, 4, or 6 gigs. So I'm going to choose 4 gigs and tap OK. This is going to require a restart. So once you tap on restart and turn the phone back on, some of your storage space will have been converted into extra RAM for your phone. So now you can have 3 plus 4 gigs, which is 7 gigs of RAM on the Galaxy A17 5G. Thanks for watching. Good luck.